let's take a look at the neck-mounted torpedo launchers by Lake Monster Details for the 1701-B. So this is another parts removal and reinstallation. Here's a look at what the kit supplied part versus the aftermarket part looks like, and let's get into how to do that. In this case, I'm going to do the drill method. Lots of holes just around the whole perimeter of where we want the piece to come out. Just drill, 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 and try to get as close to the edge as possible, knowing you're going to have to do cleanup, just like that. Now in this case, I actually used the drill bit to hog it out instead of the knife, but this is risky because these drill bits like to break if you're not careful. So once again, a bit more for the advanced modeler. Now I am going to use the knife to open the piece a bit more to allow for the aftermarket torpedo launcher, because you never quite get it right. You open it, you open up, you test fit, try again, and then just adjust it until you get it right, including filing. And here we got the piece. We're going to pop it in. Good fit, looks excellent, and got to do a little bit of cleanup on the neck, but that's another video. Crazy glue. Pop the piece in. Eventually, there we go. And then just take a look and make sure everything's lined up. And this is another excellent part from Lake Monster Details. And if you like this video, I hope you come back for more. And please don't be afraid to like and share.